welcome to Asapu Art. This new year 2022, let's begin with a bang. So here I have got a series of 5 bookmarks this time and I'll be uploading them one by one. Hope you guys like the videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So for this, what I've used are the Bruce Proof fine liners. I've used masking tape for some of them and I have used watercolor. Along with the watercolor, I've used a round brush. And one more thing is that I haven't used 200 GSM sheet. I've used 180 GSM sheet for this paintings, and these have come up well because we are not layering the colors one upon the other. So let's get started. So the sheet for the bookmark is cut into 6.5 centimeter into 17.5 centimeter, and after that, using a compass, I am making two semicircles on the either side for the flower to be made. So I try not to cross over with each other. One is on the top and one is at the bottom. I make two semicircles, one a smaller semicircle for the center part of the flower and the other semicircle for the petals part. So now, as you can see, I am making the petals for the flower. I am trying to make the longer petals, and between the longer petals I will make the shorter petals. So now, as you can see, I am using my fine liners to make the outline for all the petals. So I'll making all the outlines for all the petals using the fine liners. You can use any size of your choice over here. So now for the center part, I am making small circles for the center part. It can be of any size, and just fill in the center part wherever the circles are not there with black color. Now for the petals, I am making just lines in them. Very fine lines I am trying to draw close to each other, which gives a beautiful look. Now to give little depth to the petals, I am using a thinner fine liner, that is 0.1, and giving more strokes towards the inner side and from the top side. Just lines which go halfway. They are not complete lines till the top to bottom. They are just going halfway, and I am leaving it there so that there is some good shading effect on the top and the bottom part of the petals. After it is done, I am erasing all the pencil lines, and after that I'll start the coloring part. You can use any color of your choice, yellow, green, blue, red, whatever you like. So I started by outlining the petals with a thinner brush, and then you can use your round boulder brush, that is 6 number or 4 number, and fill the leftover space. So you can see I'm just going around adding some water and color, my watercolors, on the background part. So guys, all my artworks are uploaded on my Instagram handle at Asapu Art. The link is given in the description below, and all the material list is also given in the description below. Do have a look and do like my channel, subscribe and share, and do let me know what kind of videos you want me to make. So hope you're liking it, enjoying it. I had a lot of fun creating these bookmarks, as these were the best way to start my new year with. So this is a very simple video. Do try it out and do share your artworks with me and tag me. And if you have any queries regarding any of your artworks, please give in a direct message. I'll be happy to help. Thank you. See you next week with another bookmark video. Bye.